Welcome back everybody. In this video we're going to be taking a look at how WordPress deals with templates and the hierarchy system for selecting which template to use. So if you head over to Google and do a search for WordPress template hierarchy, and the first link that comes up should be the one that you need. So if we select that, so we'll be taken over to the WordPress website, and if we just scroll down we can find a list of the templates that WordPress recognizes, and it'll give you an idea of how WordPress uses these. So there's a visual diagram which we'll take a look at in just a moment, but if we scroll a little bit further down the page we can find out some more details about how WordPress deals with templates. So by default WordPress uses the front page or the home page to display the latest blog posts, and that's really not what we want for this design. In our Bootstrap design we've got a front page, and then we keep our blog post separate in its own blog page. So we need to change our WordPress theme, and we need to use the frontpage.php as our new home page. So in this video we'll be taking the content of the index page and we'll be creating the frontpage.php. We'll then use our index page to be the default page for displaying blog posts or WordPress content. So scrolling down, you'll get an idea of some of the templates that we're building in this course. There's a template for the single post which has the index page as a fallback template if none of these exist. We'll also create a page template which WordPress will use if it can't find a more specific template. And again, if none of these can be found, it will default back to the index page. And there's various other custom templates we can build, so we'll look at them later on in the course. And if you want to take a look at the visual overview, which gives you a nice visual diagram of how WordPress deals with templates and what templates it looks for and in what particular order. So let's get started creating our new front page. So if you go back into the WordPress dashboard, and then in the dashboard on the left, if you go down to pages, I'm just going to delete the sample page, we don't need that. And then we're going to click add new, and we're simply going to call this page home, and then click on publish. Then head over to the text editor and we'll create the frontpage.php that we looked at before. So first of all, go into the index page, select all and copy, and then Command N or Control N to create a new page, and then paste that in, and then save that straight away as front-page.php. So this is now going to be our front page of the website. So we can delete all of the content in the index page, everything between the get header and the get footer tags right at the very bottom. So just select all the content and then scroll down and delete, leaving just the header and the footer. And we'll just save this page for now, and we'll come back to this in the next video where we'll start creating the WordPress loop to loop through all the contents of the blog posts. So save, and then if you go back over to the dashboard and then under settings, select the reading tab. So if we go up to the front page, which is at the top, we mentioned at the start of this video that by default WordPress uses the front page to display the latest blog posts. We're going to change that to be a static page, and we're going to change that to the home page that we created. So change that and then click on Save Changes. So hopefully that should be all working again. So click on Visit Site and refresh, and that all seems to be working fine. We've just got a few menu links at the top, so I'm just going to get rid of those now. So back into Appearance and Menus, we can delete the sample page, we don't need that in the menu, and also that home page link, and then save the menu, and then back to our front page. Okay, so that's all working again, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.